Want to live forever? Be a jellyfish. There is only one species to date which has been named biologically immortal. The jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii. Let's talk about this species in this video. Before that, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon below. These small, transparent animals are hanging around the world in oceans, and can turn back time by going back to an earlier stage of their life cycle. A new life of jellyfish begins with a fertilized egg, which develops into a larval stage called a planula. The planula latches onto a surface after a quick swim, like a rock, or the ocean floor, or the hull of a boat, where it develops into a polyp, a tube-shaped structure with a mouth at one end and a sort of foot at the other. For some time, it remains trapped in place, developing into a little colony of polyps that share feeding tubes. Eventually one of these polyps may create an outgrowth called a bud, depending on the jellyfish species, or it may produce separate segments stacked on top of each other, which will then split away from the rest of the colony. This process is responsible for the next stages of the life cycle of the jellyfish, the ephra, a tiny jellyfish, and the medusa, which is the fully developed adult stage able to reproduce sexually. This stage is the end of the line for most other jellyfish. But Turritopsis dohrnii, and probably some other species of jellyfish too, has a nifty party trick. When met with any kind of environmental stress, such as hunger or injury, it will revert back to being a tiny blob of tissue, which then turns back into the sexually immature polyp phase of existence. It's sort of like a butterfly transforming back into a caterpillar, or a frog being another tadpole. Turritopsis dohrnii, of course, is not exactly immortal. They can also be eaten by predators, or even killed by other means. Yet their ability to switch back and forth between life stages in response to stress means they could live forever in theory. Thanks for watching the video, we hope that you enjoy it. Please click the subscribe button and the bell icon below. Have a pleasant day to all of you.